So, okay, guys, so we are going to skip the module 5 for the commitment of traders. So we are going to the module 6, that is depth of the market and the order book. So yeah, depth of the market and the order book. So yeah, it's a module 5.1. It's not supposed to be module 6, so it's just part of the market sentiment. Tulisema sentiment is anything to do with when traders wamejipanga ama what traders are doing the market, seeing what traders are doing the market for. We're going to do the depth of the market and depth of the market on your go charting. Utaiona hapo hivi kwenye kumeandikwa DOM. So if you click on this DOM, utapata this depth of the market. Now this is the depth of the market. So we're going to go through the structure of the depth of the market. Leo niko na some limited time, niko na meeting hapo hivyo 9:40. So that's why nimechoose topic yenye sio complicated. So for the depth of the market, I want everyone to know that utasikia watu wakiita DOM. So anytime nasikia mtu akisema DOM, unajua anamaanisha depth of the market. Nasikia mtu akisema OB, unajua anamaanisha order book. Nasikia mtu akisema there's nothing else related to depth of the market. So for the depth of the market, inakuonyeshananga list of buy and sell orders. Here the limit orders. Let me see which calling this. So I was saying that the depth of the market refers to the list buy and sell orders na pia limit orders. So huku pia tunaranga buy limit na sell limit the big institutions. So obviously wanashanga the bigger one. It's like the visual representation of the supply and demand, buyers and sellers in any given moment and a certain price level in the market. So inakuonyeshanga the set of prices along the corresponding quantities. So utaona price with the corresponding quantities of order on both sides. So we are going to go through that. So I want us to learn everything here as the key components of the depth of the market. Let me mark this one here. So a key components of the depth of the market. Number one, there is a bid side. So trend hivi venye inaenda. So there is a bid side. This is the bid side. By jina ingine ni buy limit. So inakuonyeshanga buy limit orders. Where traders are willing to buy a certain asset. You can see, like, for example, buy limit orders down here. So our traders are willing to buy this asset and these are specific levels there. So the blue ones, no buy limit. So confused, ujue kuna bid na bado kuna buy. So don't confuse between buy limits and buys. Traffic hapo hivyo kwa buy. So hizi ndo the pending limit, buy limit orders zenye ziko kwa market. So after hapo kuna sell. I hope mtageti kuna sell. So sell nayo ni aggressive market orders, aggressive market sell positions. Hizi sell ziko hapa ni orders zenye zinaingia kwa market aggressively. So sio limit orders kama buy limit na sell limit. So hizi ni aggressive market orders. Hawa ni wenye wana trade sahi, sellers wenye wanaingia sahi. So sio wenye wanatumia limit orders. Hawa ha trade aggressively. Wanangoja mpaka market fike hapo hivyo ndo it trigger their positions, you see. But hawa ndo wanaingia aggressively. So most of us tunakuanga aggressive traders. So hawa ni passive traders, hawa ni aggressive traders. So most of us tunakuanga aggressive, not passive. Wengi wetu hatupendi kutumia limit orders. So hawa ni aggressive, passive sellers. So hawa ni aggressive buyers. Passive buyers, hawa ni aggressive sellers. So I hope you get that. So hizi ni sell orders zinaingia currently. So ukitaka kujua where kwa wapi currently, you just check at this arrow down here. This arrow ndio inakuonyesha the current market kwenye the current market iko. So let's see, you can see where the current market is here at that specific arrow, yani inakuonyesha. So you can always set hiyo ikuwe at the center of the depth of the market when nimefanya. So you just click on this circle down there. So after the sell side kuna the price level. So price level ndio inakuonyesha these are straightforward, inakuonyesha tu basically level ya the security you are trading. For example, this is BTC/USD. So you can see inatuonyesha each and every price level activities zenye zina happen up. For example, you can see the current market, kuna sellers wangapi, kuna buy limits ngapi, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So that's just the price level. Very important. Juu tunaitumianga sana juu huwezi jua kwenye utaweka buy limit kama hakuna price level, huwezi jua kwenye utaweka sell limit kama hakuna price level. Now after hapo sasa kuna buy. Now this is aggressive buy positions. Remember hii yenye tulifanya kwa bid, hiyo ni aggressive what hizo ni buy limits. Sasa hizi buy hapa hivi this is aggressive buy positions. Hizi ni buys zenye zinaingia kwa market instantly. So hawa ni watu wenye wana trade aggressive, yani buyers wenye wana trade papa, yani kutrade tu bila kujali the price level yenye iko. Unajua hawa nini buy, watu kutumia buy limit hawa wanasemanga I want this order to be executed like exactly kwa 18020. But sasa wewe the moment market inafika 18020, before ufinye buy ama before ufinye sell, market itakuwa imepita hapo hivyo, hata kama ulikuwa unataka ku execute your order hapo hivyo. So that's why hawa ni aggressive traders. They don't care about the price level. Kwenye tu itakuwa executed, they don't care. Kama mtinga buy, bora buy position ingie hivyo. So then sasa kuna ask ni sell limit. Sasa hizi ni sell limits zote zenye ziko kwa market, zenye zimeingia kwa market. So obviously tunatumia sell limits kama nini, kama resistance zone. For example, you can see that these are price level 108.038. Kuna very large sell limits over 200,000. So you expect the price to pick up over, then it bounce off juu kuna large institutional orders kwa that specific sell limit. So buy limits zikuwa opposite. If you see a lot of buy limits, assume the market is like going down, tuseme buy limits ziko hapa hivi chini and the market is heading down. So ikiuza the buy limits, what will expect market fanya nini? Reverse kidogo. If sell limits ziko up there, the market is going up. Ikiuza sell limits, what will expect nini? Market to reverse a little bit down there. So even though zinakuanga, so nasiwa sell limit yote, just make sure it's like venye tu tulisema abnormal number of contracts. At least the limit kuna contracts mingi hapo. Just check the average number of limit orders, then we check yenye iko like it's not average, it's large limit orders. So hizo at least zinafanya market i-reverse kidogo, atakasi sana kupata market i-reverse on a certain way. So all you have to do is to check those large orders up here. Kama hizi zinazo kuvi, so 200k is a lot. In a range kutoka 100k kuna chini, so 200k is like basically a lot. All you have to do is to scroll up there when utapata hizo large limit orders, and you do what, akuna high probability of market reversing at those zones. Na pia sio lazima ikuwe buy limits, sio lazima ikuwe sell limits ama buy limits here. Pia kuna orders zingine tunaitanga iceberg orders. Ukipata place kumetradiwa large orders, hizo zinatii kama nini, order block. So ukisikia term kama iceberg orders, huwa tuna prefer hizi orders ziko kwa aggressive buys ama aggressive sales. So sio kwa buy limit ama sell limit. So iceberg orders zinakuanga huku hivi. So iceberg orders ni time unapata large buy and sell positions at a certain zone. Ndio tunasemanga the same people unapata like tuseme kwa price level 100 kumeplace a lot of sell positions, a lot of people sold at that place. So tunasemanga the same people who sold at that specific level wanataka price fike at that zone finally wa sell tena. So pia huku hivi you should unafaa kuwa ukiangalia kwenye kulikuwa na large orders. For example 107,947 we can see kulikuwa na very large orders up there. Let me see the current price. So if it's a lot of buy orders, most probably is a buy limit, order block, a bullish order block there. It's a lot of sell orders, and most probably there is a bearish order block at that specific zone. So hizi tunaitanga nini, iceberg orders ni 40k ndo naona kubwa sana. Let me see whether there's something else. So 40k ndo naona kubwa sana. It's 108,060. 108,060. Where is 108,060? Let me see 108,060. Yeah. 108,060. That's the level ya 108,060. You can see orders zenye zimeplacewa venye zimefanya market end. So you can basically see that was the 108,060. Now you can see orders zenye ziliplacewa kwa hivyo 40.87k sell aggressive sell orders. Now venye zimefanya market end, venye zimepush market juu chini. So maybe there's a high probability tena once the market comes back to that zone ianze ku reverse tena. So all you have to do is to check orders zenye zitaingia kwa market at that specific zone. So kama sio hivyo, you can trade aggressively with them. Ukiona, you can see the average number of contracts, but in case one 40,000 imeingia, most probably ungeingia sell na wao na ungepata kwa sell position na that sort sell position. So if you're planning to use order book, you can use it for scalping na pia maybe intraday trading na where you have to kutafuta hizi iceberg orders, goje sanye market imeleta orders abnormal, then you'll go in with them. So for the buy position, let me see whether there's abnormal number of contracts. So let me see. 12, 1, 1, 1.8k, 1.04k. Where was it? Where was this? 434k. Up here 301k. Where was it? Is 400 and that 108, 806. 107, 806. Yeah, hapa kulikuwa na very a lot of trading activities here. You can see how many aggressive buy orders were placed at this specific area. Na pia sellers yote waliachwa nyuma. You can see how many sell orders were placed at that specific area. Yeah, 107, 806. I don't know why traders were interested so much with that zone. A lot of trading activities happening. Don't know whether this was a genuine order block. Let's check whether this was a genuine order block. That was not a genuine order block. So I don't know why. Maybe there was some kind of imbalances that should be filled. Yeah, like that. Let me see. It's down here. 108. It was 107, 806. Let me see what's up with 107, 806, 107. 805, 805, 806. Let me see what's up with 107, 806. So this is 107, 806. Kuna a lot of stacked imbalances. A lot of stacked imbalance. But the biggest one is here. The largest one is here. So we shall see what will happen. So hizo ndo iceberg orders. So usiende kutafuta iceberg orders kwa sell limit ama kwa buy limit. Iceberg orders tunatafuta kwa aggressive buy orders ama aggressive sell orders. So if you wanna go in with them, you can just go in with them. Just borrow and make sure there's a reasonable imbalance ama trading pressure, one-sided trading pressure kama yenye tulikuwa tumeona sell 40,000 sellers but only 900 buyers. So usipate 40k side, upate 40k side, then uamue it's time. Hapana, hiyo sasa it's not reasonable. Tunataka ikuwe like one-sided, at least ikuwe one-sided. Tunajuanga inaletanga nini spikes, volume spikes zenye tulisoma day 1 day 2, volume spikes kwa market. So isikue like balance. Hatutaki kuona volume ikiwa balanced. Volume ikiwa balanced hainanga that much impact. So tunataka kuona something that is one-sided. Something that is one-sided. So sio ikiwa balanced. So our area here was a little bit balanced. Tuona side moja ilikuwa, how is it? Mm. Juu tunaona side moja ilikuwa 300k, nyingine ilikuwa like 400k, so that area was a little bit balanced though. Tunaona nini ita happen on that specific zone. We can see the price has bounced off, and you reflect on that nini. These are reasonable imbalance. So the reason why Nilimark is on ilikuwa the biggest imbalance. If you take a look on these are stacked imbalance. So these are stacked imbalance from hizi zeros ziko hapa. Ziko 02k, 04k, 03k, 05k, 02k, 079k. So that's why Nilimark hiyo zone hapo hivyo. So yeah. The next thing we should know about the depth of the market. Venye tunaitumianga ni so it's all about the market sentiment. So obviously by analyzing the DOM utapata like an idea of the market sentiment, ama the current market sentiment, whether it's bullish ama whether it's bearish, based on the number of orders at each and every price level. By just checking at the numbers of orders, unaweza tell, this market is bullish, this market is bearish. Simply checking the numbers of contracts or at each and every price level. So then tutaka kujua kama kuna liquidity depth of the market atusaidia sana ku identify liquidity levels, that is iceberg orders, obviously by looking large concentration of orders at a certain price. So ina suggest nini? Either strong support ama a strong resistance zone. Obviously if there's a lot of buy orders, it's a strong support. If it's a lot of sell orders, it's a strong resistance zone. So number 3, you're going to use the depth of the market for the price action confirmation. So number 1, to determine market sentiment. Number 2, ni liquidity. Number 3, ni price action confirmation. So obviously, as long as we're watching the movement of the depth of the market, you can just confirm that your price action setup. So for example, see the price going up and the depth of the market is showing increasing buy order on the buy side, ina suggest nini? Strong buying pressure. So and opposite happens. We are looking for sell positions in the depth of the markets where it's showing you a lot of sell orders, kuonyesha nini? Increasing selling pressure. So I look at that. Then most important uses of the depth of the market is like scalping in a short-term trading. So depth of the market sana sana inakuwa heavily used by scalpers and short-term traders to make very quick decisions. So they focus on like immediate supply and demand in the market to enter and exit positions. Sana sana one-sided orders, kind of like 40k buy contract zimeingia, but on the sell side like kuna like 100. So utapata scalper akifanya nini? Wakiingia buy positions haraka sana. So if you pata 40k sell positions zimeingia, but on the other side like 1k, scalpers wanatumia that advantage kwa nini? Point on for sell positions. And you can set your step here. Our step currently is, you can see 108, 107.1, 107.802, 107.803, 107.804, and so on and so on and so on. Ukitaka ikuwe like squeezed, as I set up hivi, ndo uache kuona like a lot of unnecessary information. So let me show you. So you can see like nime zoom out, so haionyeshi a lot of ni mingi. You can see currently inatoka like 107.802, 107.805, 107.809, like nime set step ya 36. So case niweke 100 there, haitakuwa that much squeezed that. So itakuwa much squeezed. You can see 107.710, 107.720, and so on and so on and so on and so on. So inakuwa a little bit clear. So I hope you get that correctly. So it's upon you ujue utatumia step ya nini, but 10 is okay. Just 10 is okay. So 10 hivyo iko sawa. Now I want us to go to the order book. One venye order book sasa itakuwa order book iko tu hapa the same, ndio imechorwa kitabu hapa. So you just click on this book there. If you click on that book, utapata order book yako. So you just click on it like that. So let me first get rid of this. So now this is the order book. The very, 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 very simple structured order book. Well, the components of the order book. Number one is price level. And see our price level here katikati ni kato dom kwenye price level ilikuwa nine. So buy orders hapa hivi hazijawekwa style moja. So buy orders ni za green, sell orders ni za red. So anytime unaona order imekuja na room face chini, that's definitely a sell. Anytime unaona order imeingia na room face juu, that's most definitely the orders is a company sell order. So these are very, 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 very useful. Help us on doing it very, 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 very much. So we have price level, buy and sell orders, na then kuna size. So you can either sort by size na ama wenye walikuwa class ya day 2 tulisema you can either sort by size and you can sort by trade amount. So ukisort by trade amount itakuleta both the buys na sales, but the lot size itakuwa inaonyesha how much was spent on that specific trade. Obviously they had the amount, they had the probability of moving the market a little bit on that direction. The lower the amount, the lower the impact on the market. So kama utaki kusort by amount, unaweza sort by nini? Lot size. For example, ikikuja ni amount, we can tunaweza weka filter. Sema tunataka tu kuona amount yenye above like 1 million contract. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that's 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah. 1 million. So tutaona anything below 1 million like this. Na hii inakuwa poa sana juu at least hizi orders kubwa kubwa ndo huwa zina move market. For example, let me show you. So I want you to check the live market here and compare it with the depth of the market. Whatever I mean book, whatever is happening to the book, utapata it's like corresponding to the footprint ama to the candlestick. In case buyers wengi waingie utapata market kienda juu. In case sellers wengi waingie utapata market kienda nini? Ikienda chini. So we've sorted out by 100 million. Sahi kuna nini? Na pia ukiona 100 million it's like kuna a lot of noise. 1 million tunaweza sort by 1, 2, 3. You can sort by 10 million like that. So we'll only see contracts above 10 million hivyo tu. So hii inakuwa little bit ndo kufilter out a lot of noise. Usiposort out utapata mpaka towards za 10k, 5k, utapata orders mingi, orders kaa 10 za 5k zimeenda nini chini. Unashangaa mbona market imeenda juu. Juu kumekuja moja ya 860 million. So hakuna venye orders 20 hata 50 za 5k zitafanya nini? Zitautudu moja ya 830 million. So you see, that's why tuna sort out. So you can see venye hizi orders zimedrive market juu. Na sana sana ukiona hizi zenye zinakuwa highlighted kama hii, ni kumaanisha hizo like a very, 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 very big contracted orders. Kama hizi sijui zinapotea kwa nini. Hizi unaona zimekuja zikiwa highlighted boxes, unaona zinakuja either zikiwa highlighted green au zikiwa highlighted red. Zinakuwa like a large and heavy contract. A contract zikiingia unafaa usome. So sio kuangalia tu arrows ni za buy, say nitaingia buys. Arrows ni za sell, nitaingia sell. Lazima uangalie amount. Inaweza kuja za sales but kwa amount ni kidogo. Na kukuwe na 3 za buys, iko na amount kubwa kuliko 10 za sales. So lazima usome like the amount coming in here. Kama utaki kudeal na amount, kuja tu hapa hivi kwa ni sort by size. Hapa hivi basically you're sorting by the lot size. So tunaweza sema contract above 100 dots. Nataka tu kuona anything above 100. Hizo ndo tu tunataka kuona. Ukiona 100 iko na a lot of noise, unaweza nini 1000. Anything above 1000 tunataka nini kuona like that. So the higher the number the better. Do inakuwa na high probability of market respecting larger contract. Ukiweka namba iko chini hiyo haitakuwa na shangwe kidogo hivi. You can either use lot size ama you can either use amount. So but me prefer two amounts, naeka tu filter ya 1 million ama 10 million. Venye tumeona this is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 10 million. like that. So any orders zinaingia kwa market ziko above 10 million. Hizo nimeona zikuwa highlighted kama hii yenye iko na hii red. Hizi zinakuwa very 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 strong contract. Kama hii yenye iko na green. Hizi zinakuwa very 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 strong contract. So anyway, hii ni ya scalpers. Hii sio ya intraday traders. Basically ni ya scalpers. Kama sio hivyo, assume the price is approaching your support zone. Na you wanna know whether buyers na sellers wako interested on that zone. Once the price imekaribia hiyo zone hapa hivi, unaweza fungua order book haraka uone kama buyers wataingia aggressively. Kesi wana buyers wameingia aggressively, utajua your level, there's high probability imekuwa nini, traders wamefanya nini, wameamua hapa ndo tunaingia buyers, ama hapa ndo tunaingia nini sales. Ndio nasema my order book haikana nini yako help us. Hakuna settings. Order book haina settings. Nimeitumia tu kwa default. Order book haina settings. So it's just default. Just default. Maybe umefinya hapa hivi kwa orders. Usifinya hapa hivi kwa orders, finya hapa hivi kwa trades. Finya kwa orders ndio italeta hivi. Na orders inakuletea tu pending orders. So just weka kwa nini? Weka kwa trade. Haya. So yeah. I hope umeona the key differences between the depth of the market and the order book. So order book inakupea like a very very like a simplified view of the market for full depth. Like unaona sasa hii before ukuje combine as a limit na grade na sales huku hivi, hiyo it's a lot of work, but hii inakupea nini a very 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 good depth of when unaingia instantly. Unaona inakupea a side amount price na making it nini interesting, inakuwa mpaka time. Nakwambia hii contract ilitradewa saa ngapi? 21:34 26 seconds ndio hiyo order iliingia kwa market. So hii ndio uzuri wa nini order book. So mostly hata mimi utapata nikitumia order book than the depth of the market. That is if I'm scalping, but if I'm looking for iceberg orders with tumia order book now unless tumia depth of the market. So it depend on what you are looking at, what type of a trader you are. So it depend na hiyo but nipo tu kujua zote mbili. So but depth of the market inaonekananga like in real time na huwa ina display like more more condensed view of easy orders, but order book inapeananga like a very 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 simplified view. You can't compare hizi numbers zote with hii tu information natokea hapa. Nakwambia it's either buy ama it's either sell. It's either buy ama it's either sell. So they don't care about anything else. Wanakwambia it's either buy ama it's either sell. You see? So you can't combine both of them. Hizi zinakuja zimepita mbio, hizi zinakuja zina disappear, zinakuja zina disappear. So itakuwa ni kujua yenye utatumia. So for the order book pia itakusaidia sana kujua when there is a market liquidity, like the real time true liquidity in the market. So inakuonyesha the total amount of buy and the sell orders in the system. Yeah, so but if you are looking for support and resistance level, I'm gonna use depth of the market, not order book. So yeah, ubaya nowadays na misbehave kidogo. These orders they keep disappearing, na sijui mbona zina disappear. Sort of it and all that. Yeah. So the next thing ni nakuonyesha nini ingine for spoofing. Kuna mtu mmoja alikuwa Raymond alikuwa ameuliza analog order book on Gochatin haina analog order book, but for the analog order book tunatumia nini fast bull. Nitaonyesha kutumia kesho. For hiyo ndo tunajuanga when spoofing is happening. For spoofing huwezi tumia book. Spoofing tunatumia nini hii depth of the market. So ukiona like kuna buy limit from a certain level, kuja kwa depth of the market uzikosa, yani kumaanisha most probably spoofing has happened. Spoofing is yenye big institutions wanaweka buy limit, tuseme wanaenda hapo hivyo kwa 100 wanaweka to buy limit after traders wameona buy limit hapo pia wanaenda wanaweka zao, and after a while big institutions wanatoa buy limits zao, so price ikikuja hapo hivyo haitarudi juu venye tulikuwa tuna expect, itakuja tu kama imepita, so hakuna orders enough za kufanya market irudi juu. So what we do ni ukipata like a certain level kwa 100 wameweka buy limit, unakuja tu kwa your instrument hapa hivi, unakuja kwa 100 na kuna buy limits kweli. Kama hakuna pejua hapo wamecheza watu, but spoofing is like illegal, not supposed to happen. So I hope kila mtu ameelewa hivyo. So most of the time for book tunaitumia ku scalp, order depth of the market tunaitumia kutafuta nini, kutafuta iceberg orders na kutafuta on nini order blocks. By order blocks ni kwenye kuna lot of buy and sell orders, na kutafuta pia kwenye kuna lot of buy and sell limits. So don't get spoofed now on from now. So I hope kila mtu anaweza interpret the depth of the market na kila mtu anaweza interpret book. So nilikuwa na meeting fulani 9:40. So kesho, module ya kesho naona itakuwa nini, akina volume profile ya module ya kesho. So nimeruka nimeruka commitment of traders na nimeruka pia I think ni commitment of traders pekee nimeruka juu niliona hiyo sio necessary sana before tufanya hizi vitu za order flow. So ya kesho itakuwa kuna volume profile yeah, and so on. So how do I confirm another book, another block? Hiyo tutafanya order blocks, liquidity and fair value gaps. Hiyo ndo tutafanya hizo baadaye. So is there any other question? Naona kuna swali lingine. Kuna time frame ya Dom. Dom haina time frame, but if you're scalping, make sure you're using 1 minute time frame. So kama hakuna swali, tunaweza kutana kesho 9 na pia tukipatana kesho kwanza tutafanya the analog order book kwanza, ndo naonyesha kutumia analog order book with the digital order book. Yeah, so good night everyone.